In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate multiple slides in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to quickly copy several slides at once and keep your workflow fast and organized. First, open the Canva project you want to work on. Give it a moment to load, and focus on the page strip where your slides appear as thumbnails. Depending on your view, you'll usually see these thumbnails along the bottom of the editor. This is the area that shows each slide in order, so it's the perfect place to select exactly what you want to duplicate. Now, get ready to select multiple slides. Move your cursor to the first slide you want to copy. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding it, click each slide you want to include. You'll notice each selected slide gets a visible highlight, so you can visually confirm what's included. Keep holding Shift as you click to add more slides to your selection. If you change your mind on one, simply click it again while still holding Shift to remove it from the group. This method lets you grab a continuous range or a custom set all in one go. With your slides selected, copy them using the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. On Mac, press Command and C. This copies the slides exactly as they are: layouts, images, text, and any animations or timing attached to those pages. Next, paste the copies right into your project. On Windows, press Ctrl and V. On Mac, press Command and V. Canva will create duplicates of every slide you selected. The new copies will appear in your page list, typically right after the originals or near your current selection. You'll see them pop in as new thumbnails, so you can immediately spot the duplicates. From there, you can drag them to reposition if needed, or start editing the copies without changing your original slides. If you don't see the duplicates right away, give the editor a second to process, especially in larger projects. Also make sure a slide, not a text box, is active when you paste, so the command applies to pages rather than text. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the slides using Shift-click, copy, and paste. It's a simple workflow that saves a ton of time when you're reusing layouts across a presentation, course module, or social carousel. Try it on a few slides, then scale up as you get comfortable. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!